Welcome back for another Litecoin price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets and also give you reasons why Litecoin can see a break above the $100 mark ahead of the Litecoin halving event. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And starting the video by sharing the Litecoin halving countdown, you can see that at the time of this recording we have 3 days, 12 hours and 3 minutes to the next Litecoin halving event, which is an event that I'm expecting will bring about a lot of volatility in the markets. And getting back to the charts to give you my technical point of view here on the Litecoin chart, at the time of this recording, we are holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support. We have also managed to break above resistance at around the $91.35 mark. And you can see that after breaking above that, we have now been able to see a break above that is a high at around the $95 mark. And there are high chances that as long as we continue holding above the $91.35 mark, Litecoin can easily see another break to the upper side, getting above the $97.65 mark, where we have our next key area of resistance, and a break above that key area of resistance with a successful retest. We can easily see Litecoin get above the $100 mark in the next coming hours. We also have a chart pattern that we have been obeying here on the charts, which is this triangle, which is right here, having this as a descending trend line. Then we have this horizontal area of support, and you can see that we have now seen a breakout out of this chart pattern to the upper side, and the minimum target areas for the breakout lies at around the $112.48 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Litecoin to do so that we can fully maximize the breakout for this chart pattern to the upper side. And Litecoin has also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where you can see that after seeing our low on the 14th of June at around the $70.59 mark, we started gearing up, obeying the Elliot structures, where we picked in the formation of this wave 1, saw a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, then we saw this impulse in the formation of this wave 3, then a wave 4, and then a wave 5, giving us a high above the $115 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2 into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area. And you can see that we have fully maximized our red target area, and there are high chances that soon we are going to see a reaction of this target area and start gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 3, which is what we expect after seeing a breakdown move in the formation of that wave 2, and giving new target areas for the third wave by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. I get a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $158.88 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Litecoin to do in the formation of that wave 3. And there are chances that the moment we fully maximize our minimum target area at around the $112.67 mark, then from that point we can easily see Litecoin continue to gear up and see a break above the $140 mark, and maybe also fully maximize minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3. Alternatively, in case we see further breakdown on the charts, because that is still a possibility that we need to have in mind, and maybe at some point we lose support at around the $91.35 mark and continue crashing down, then the next key area of support lies at around the $82.65 mark. And as long as this key area of support continues to hold, then my bullish setup here on the charts still remains, where we can still expect another bounce to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. So those are possible moves that we need to have in mind here on the Litecoin chart, and there are high chances that The moment you see a break above the $97.65 mark, then Litecoin can easily see a break above the $100 mark in the next coming hours or maybe days ahead of the Litecoin halving event. Also, taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 71 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.